Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today I'm going to do the Creative Notions unboxing. And when I got it in my package, it was so tight that when I cut it, I actually clipped my bag. Right there. So my little bag is going to have a patch on it. Just letting you know. So let me get the camera set up over here so as I pull this out, we can take a look at it from the side. Let's get started here. Okay, that's everything that was in the bag. And like I said, I got a hole in it right here. You can tell I snipped it with the scissors. Boy, I was mad. Oh my gosh, I was mad. But that's what happens. Okay, so let's put it out here so we can take a look at it. There's some buttons, some really pretty buttons, and a yard of polyester rickrack. That's some really nice light green too. Okay, let's set that aside. We'll go ahead and we'll open up this little bag. I think these little bags are adorable. So this is a template. That's cute. And Wesson's, I think it's Wesson Now and Sons Woodworking Inspired by Quilters. That's their information, in case anybody's interested in checking them out. Let's look at Grandma Bishop's cake. That's a pound cake. I don't know too many people that don't care for pound cake. So the only thing that I would change looking at it, if you want to change it, for example, this is going to have an orange glaze on it. Alrighty. So instead of the almond extract, which will give it a little bit of a nutty flavor to it, you can actually use orange extract if you want extra orange. And you can take your vanilla and also make it an extract, whatever you want. Lots of times I leave vanilla out of my recipes, but that just depends on the person doing the cooking. So it looks pretty good, and it's by Lisa Gilmore. I believe Liar is her last name. Nice. And then you can put your own notes on the back. Because I usually, whenever I make something, I normally put down whether I liked it, I added something to it, or I changed it, or I really didn't care for it and I don't want to make it again, or if the kids liked it but I didn't like it. I make all those kind of notes. All right, let's see what we got in our little pink polka dotted bag. Okay, we have our Zappy Dot. Oops, here we go. And our little bag tag. Let's just open this bag tag up here. This is, if I can get it, that is. Okay. So this is the jewelry. You put your Zappy Dot in there. So each month we've been getting Zappy Dots. If this is your first month, you got a Zappy Dot this month. Let's see if I can get this other bag open. I have such a hard time with the bags, especially the little bitty bags. It's like I can't get a grip on it. Although I see it right there. There we go. Okay, so that says, "Be well," and it has a dove on it, and a little flower, and some hearts. And then you would put this in here. And then you can do a couple of different things. Since this has the hole right here, see that right there where the chain goes through here? You could actually put this here on a necklace if you wanted to wear it. I probably ought to change a little, turn it a little bit here. And that could hang. Or it can hang off a bracelet. Or you can use it as a key fob if you want. And you can change these out. It's not like that's going to fall off because that's magnetic and that's on there really, really good. Okay, let me set that aside. And then they've got Dad's root beer, old-fashioned root beer. And it's in a little barrel. I haven't even seen those around for a long time. Used to get those for a penny a piece in the jar when you went into the 5 and dime. Okay, let's set that aside. And here are, clips for the Maker's Planner, which I have here. And look at that. Flowers, cats, butterfly. Boy, those are cute. These clips are pretty cute too. You put them in your book. That's nice. Very nice. I'll be using those. And then we have a pattern. Here's our subscription. It tells all about what came in the box. So it's Country Roads by Poppy. Let me pull it down a little bit here. Right here. It says, these beautiful blues and pinks make you think of the Country Road song, sung by John Denver. And the winners this month, oh, look at that. Quite a few of them. Lisa Gilmore, Lear, or Liar, that's the lady that gave us the recipe. And then Summer Stitchin' for making a mask with September's fabric. Winona Fortune created a bag using the March 2020 fabric. So congratulations to the winners, ladies. And this month's package is going to include 8 fat quarters, which I haven't shown you yet. 3/4 yard fabric in order to make our project. The pattern for the table runner. Complimentary embellishment pack. Heat and bond. Do I see heat and bond? I don't see heat and bond. Just a minute, I'll pull it apart here and take a look. And the tumbler template, which was that first thing that I showed you there. So let me see here. The Maker Planner clips. Okay, so here's the pattern. Let me show you sideways here. That's what it'll look like. All right, let's see. So here's the fabric. Oh, here we go. So between the fabric, between this piece of fabric here, that's a really pretty flowers on there. Look at that. Here is the Heat and Bond. Right there, Heat and Bond Light. And then the directions, always on, whenever you get this Heat and Bond, whenever it comes on a roll, it'll have directions like this. I'll just show you on the roll here. Always, it'll have a roll of it, and it'll repeat the same thing so that you don't miss out on it. Okay? I've never used the single side. I usually get the double sided whenever I'm doing stuff. So this will be good. This will be new for me. And then let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at these fabrics. Well, let's see if I'm going to get that unwrapped or not. Hold on, I'll tell you. There we go. Okay. And here's the first fat quarter, which is really pretty. I like those colors. They go really well together. And of course, you know, this looks like the bee honeycombs. And then we have the words on white. Now, I'm not sure if, I don't know the song, the words to Country Roads. So I don't know if that's the words to it or not, to be truthful with you. And then here is, I'm not quite sure what color that is. If that's sort of a type of black or a blue, I can't tell. But take a look at it close to the camera there. And then this is like the large piece that's going to be on the background, and it's in pink instead of that gray color with all those flowers on it. And then this is like the one that I can't tell the background, the blue or the black. I don't know. And this isn't quite like that background, although looking at it here, it looks like it is, but when you put them together, their backgrounds are a little bit different. The coloring is different. And then here's some really pretty pink and white stripes. Let's take a look at our pattern here. So here it shows you the different templates here on the back piece. And how you're going to lay it out. And your little small leaves, your flowers. Let's see here. I'm going backwards on mine. The different sizes here. Okay, so it gives you all the directions on how to lay it out. That's what this is. It's showing you the layout. Now the way that I do my heat and bond, but you know, this is going to be a little different because normally what I do is I take it when it's double-sided and I actually trace this onto it and cut it out. Then I iron one on my fabric and then I iron one to the main piece of fabric. But since this is not double-sided, unless it is, let me just try it out and see if it is or not. I'm not sure. Is it double-sided? Hold on one second. I didn't think I read double-sided on that flyer. Let me see here. Okay, so I read the directions on here and it is double-sided. I've just never seen any like this, the way that that paper is. So it is double-sided because they're doing exactly what I said that I do. They're taking the fabric, they're putting it on the fabric, tracing it, and then once you're done with it, they'll peel that paper off. So that's got to be a very thin layer of paper because I couldn't even get it to start peeling at all. But you peel your paper off once you've got it set and placed. So let me lay it all out here for you so you can take a look at everything. Oh, and here, the clip that came on that is in the shape of a little heart that came on the pattern and everything. Alrighty, here's everything that came in the box, and you can see the value was $62.70. And here is the people that made the little flower pot. This is going to really, really be pretty when this is done. Pull this aside a little bit for you. Okay. So you can see all that, the recipe. I'm going to have to make that recipe as soon as it gets cool enough. Now it's hotter than the dickens outside, so I can't do anything with my stove. I don't have air conditioning. I just have window units, and you know they don't cool it off like a whole house air conditioner. These fabrics, gosh, I just love these colors. They are really, really pretty. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this box. Thanks, Vicki. This is a wonderful box. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, go ahead and subscribe and click on the little bell so you can get my notifications so you can see when I put up other videos. Okay, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.